Hello everyone, we are the student of 10th grade. Today we are here in front of you to performing another activity of science named as purification of copper sulfate solution. So first we have need some science material like copper sulfate solution, soft water, battery, crocodile wires and also electricity. So first of all we kept water into our beaker and my friend dissolved copper sulfate solution in it. Now it's time to stir it. It's time to connect these rods with wire. We staple these rods with the help of thermocols. So it's time to turn on the switch of battery. It takes few times. The bubble will collect on positive terminal. It takes 10 to 15 minutes. So our reaction has completed. Now my friend will observe what are the changes given below.
This means the copper is deposited on the negative terminal.
We can do same experiment with the water also. Let's see. We can take the water in beaker and put the electrodes in water and pass the electricity. So electrolysis is start. In this process the oxygen start deposit on positive terminal and the hydrogen gas released in negative terminal. So you can see the beaker